Hi friends, in this session we discuss about solar cell and solar energy. Before going to this concept, first introduction. In 1839, A.E. Becquerel discovered the photovoltaic effect, which explained how electricity can be generated from the sunlight. Over 100 years later, in 1941, Russell Hall invented the solar cell. Okay, definition of solar cell: the solar cell is defined as an electrical device that converts light energy into electrical energy through photovoltaic effect. It is basically PN junction diode. The symbol of solar cell is displayed on this slide. You know, long terminal is positive, short terminal is negative. They have two terminals, and arrow up, downward arrow markers indicated light is emitted in the surface of solar cell. That is the universal symbol of solar cell. Okay. Now, principle of solar cell. What is the principle of solar cell? It is a device which converts the light energy into electrical energy when light is allowed to fall on this cell, generate voltage across its terminals. The voltage increases with increase the light intensity. The cell is designed that large area is exposed to light which enhance the voltage generation across the two terminals of this cell. Now coming to construction of solar cell. The silicon PN junction diode, the with a glass window on top surface layer of P side is made extremely thin so that incident light of photons may easily reach the diffusion region. And in this way, the free electrons and holes are generated on both sides of the junction and they produce current. This current is directly proportional to the illumination and also depends on the size of the surface of area being illuminated. So the structure of the solar cell explained with the help of this diagram also. So here the front electric content and back electrical content, and N type region and P type region, between them diffusion zone also displayed by this diagram also, and the two ends of this layers is connecting to the off on mode current circuit also, and electron generation, hole generation also easily explained by this diagram also. When a light is incident on the surface of the solar cell of the diffusion layer, that is produce a more number of electron hole pair also. They are very useful to produce current also. Now coming to working of this cell is when a light is reaches to PN junction, the light photons can easily enter into the junction through very thin P regions. The light energy in the form of photons supplies a sufficient energy to the junction to create a number of electron and hole pair. The incident light breaks the thermal equilibrium condition of the junction. Therefore, the free electrons in diffusion region can quickly come to the N side, and holes in diffusion region can quickly come to the P side also and produce electric current. This is the procedure for the solar cell. Now coming to advantages. What are the advantages of solar cell? No pollution associated with it, no maintenance cost, it is must last for any long time. And disadvantage also there. What are the disadvantages? It has high cost of insulation, it has low efficiency. During cloud day the energy cannot be produced, and also night we will not get solar energy. These are some disadvantages. What are the applications? Solar cell are very useful to supply power for remote areas, and it is used to charges batteries, and it is used to light meters, and it is used to power calculators, and also it is used in remote light systems, and finally it is acts as a parabolic power supplies also, portable power supplies also. These are some applications of the solar cell. Thank you very much.